Hi everyone, this is the sound test for Bose Home Speaker 500. For the best possible comparison, I would suggest listening to this sound test through your headphones. All the audio in this sound test is recorded via a high definition microphone, which is not edited in any way. The video is an extract from a full in-depth comparative review between the Bose Home Speaker 500, 300 and SoundTouch 20, including things like the audio signature of these speakers, the frequency response, connectivity, display, speaker layout breakdown, and much more. I have included a link for the full review in the description below. Lastly, I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.
Living in a crowded dream, searching for the quiet that you need to breathe. Gave up on your sanity to hide behind your shadow, while you tried to take the sun down. Hearts don't ever change to gold. Out there thinking that you're in the